Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a break from Ratty Wampus real quick. Yesterday I took my ramp truck down to pick up some more metal that I need for Ratty Wampus. And man, I love that ramp truck. I'll show you a picture from yesterday with me hauling 24-foot sticks of tubing. My ramp truck's only 20 foot long, so ever since I've had that truck, I've hauled several things that are long. I've always wanted to build something in the back so anything hanging off the back doesn't droop way down, because the ramp truck halfway back starts raking down. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I'm taking a break from Ratty Wampus. I took a little bit of video and stuff and time lapse. I'll insert that in a few pictures. And I'll insert a few pictures of why I love the ramp truck and some of the stuff that it's done. Anyway, enjoy the video and thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.